Hi guys, welcome back to Away with the Hills. It's the 26th of December 2022 and it's our Boxing Day, day after Christmas.
So we're going to do a bit of a wild camp. We're up in Derbyshire today. We're in Kinder Scout, so we're going to head up to the top there. The weather doesn't look particularly good. We're forecast a bit of snow and I've got a bit of a cold, so it's going to be a bit of a test. But yet again, it makes for a good adventure, doesn't it guys? So let's get on with it, and welcome to our Christmas wild camp. Catch you in a bit guys. Can see Santa. Come on then Becky, let's get going.
Let's go.
Just come off the road into a little woodland. We found a little stream with a bridge over it. Brilliant. It's gorgeous weather today. I'm starting to get a bit hot actually, so I started off freezing. I'm sure I'm going to get cold again in a bit when I get into the wind. But let's carry on.
Yay! Let's go. So anybody out there watching that is currently thinking we're bonkers, well, the answer is yes we are.
Some nice trees up there on the hill. Good to get a hammock and camp up there, that'd be ace.
I'm not quite ready for swinging from trees yet. Oh, look at this, it's amazing. Merry Christmas everybody! So far the weather is absolutely amazing. A little bit chilly but amazing, and what I love about these adventures is that you never know where you're going to end up. It's just a complete surprise, but we'll keep going, and like always we'll find the perfect spot. How are you finding it, babe?
Oh, hard work with this man flu. We'll soldier on, we'll dig deep. Still no sign of any snow yet. Weather's gorgeous. Bit windy, but it's lovely. Lovely clear blue skies, as you can see. Let's carry on. Dig deep in. Let's go. Can't wait till summer, try some wild camping with some lighter gear. Oh, the backpack's a bit heavy with all the water and extra clothes and layers you got to bring, bigger sleeping bags. So in the summer, hopefully be a lot lighter. Not done summer wild camping yet, so hopefully this year we can give it a go. Just one thing to ask you guys though. Rather than bringing all the water on the back, which we've done again today, making it super heavy, advice on water filters. I'm after one with like a squishy, probably a 1 litre container, so we can scoop some water from water sources. What are your recommendations? Please leave, tell me in the comments what you recommend, and I'll check it out, because I think that's going to be the next purchase. Cheers!
It's amazing up here.
So I didn't know this stream was going to be quite as pretty as what it is on the way up to Kinder Scout. I think we're going to stop and have some lunch bites actually. Make for a nice view. Anyway, while we had the sandwiches.
Sounds good to me. Good job for these walking poles, eh?
Let's go and grab some sandwiches down here, look. Still no snow yet, guys.
This is the most perfect spot for some lunch.
What sandwiches you got, Becky Boo?
Egg and cress. Yummy.
Nice. Look at the view. Oh wow. It's cold though now, guys. This wind.
Yeah, it's definitely getting colder.
They're very cold. Go on, Becky, you can do it. You can do it, Becky.
Yes, I can.
Yes, you can. Start flashbacks to Snowdon again. Right, onwards and upwards. Let's go. Get past the stream. Oh, sketchy. Oh, this is hard work, this is. All this weight on your back. Whoosh! It's very bouldery. Anybody who wants to try this, well, particularly this route, is just full of boulders, look. Right, we ain't making it to Kinder Scout. It's too hard. It's too frigging cold. It's too steep. We're going to camp over here. Looks so. But But for this time, it's a fail for Kinder Scout. We'll have to have another adventure up here. Now this route is just ridiculous at the end. It's all boulder dashing. Oh, probably rock climbing getting up there. How are you meant to climb up there with these rucksacks on? Oh, anybody tell us there's an easier way up to Kinder Scout and camping around there? Let us know in the comments. But for this time we ain't doing it. We're going to camp over here, see if we can find a half decent spot before we get frostbite and blown off this hill. So we're going to try and find somewhere to camp then. We're up here, middle of absolute nowhere. Not original plans, but sometimes you just got to roll with it when you're out here.
Yeah.
We didn't manage to get where we wanted to, but there'll be another day. Let's go and find somewhere to camp then.
And sometimes things that you don't plan always work out the best.
Yes.
So fingers crossed, let's make the most of it, eh?
Yeah. Right, we found our spot. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Quite flat. Got even got a little bit of phone reception if you stick your arm out to the side with one finger in the air. Right, let's have a spin round, show you the view.
Here it is. It's our home for Boxing Day night. No 5-star hotels this evening.
So back on again with the rucksacks. Took them off. Had a look over the brow of the hill. There's a much nicer view over there. So back on again with the rucksacks. Let's head over there, show you the view that I found.
Yes, let's go.
Let's have a look at our spot. What do you reckon to this, guys? What a view, eh? Beautiful. Right, let's get time lapse going then while I set the tent up.
Okay, so a little shot here to warm our cockles on this cold night. Cheers, babe.
Cheers!
Lovely.
Oh, good camping spot.
So it's normally Ian that does his gear review, but this time round, guys, I'm going to give you a little review. And it's for all them girls out there that suffer with cold hands, just like myself. These are really cheap to buy, and they are a great accompaniment to your camping bag. And they are called Hothands. They're literally a couple of quid, guys. You just pop them on your hands and they're warm in minutes. Give them a go.
Right, let's get this chilli cooking then. I prepared this the other day, so it should taste absolutely lovely. Fingers crossed anyway. Let's get this stove folded out, get it cooking. Just started cooking dinner now. The wind's starting to pick up again. It's bonkers. I'm so glad that we didn't manage to make it up to Kinder Scout, because up there, up at the top, the wind would have been crazy. It's bad enough down here, let alone up there. So let's try that one again in the summertime. Oh, if only you could smell this, guys. I made this the other day myself from scratch. Chili, smells absolutely amazing. We're here in the middle of nowhere having an amazing smelling chili. I can't wait to get this inside us. We've earned it though. Look at that. Nice.
Amazing dinner. Nice.
Super toasty in here, but look outside. It's bonkers. Just had our food. Let me open the door here. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. How deep's this going to be by the end of the night?
It's really, really cold right now. But how pretty is that? It's amazing. Morning guys. Just woke up after 3 hours sleep last night due to the winds being a bit higher than expected. But it's okay. We're still here. Just wanted to come back and give you a quick update on these Hothands that I mentioned yesterday. They do exactly what they say on the packet. They are absolutely brilliant. Just a quick reminder of the packet that they came in, and yeah, they really do last 10 hours. So
they're still going now, aren't they?
They are, they're still going now. Not quite as good because they have been 10 hours, but yeah, give them a go guys, they're amazing.
Right, we're going to get the sleeping bags packed away now then, make some room so we can make a cup of tea and start getting stuff packed then.
Yeah, so take care.
Catch
See
you
you in a bit. I'm actually feeling quite cute as an Eskimo right now. What do you think, guys? So it's pretty cold out here this morning, so we're just going to have a bit of breakfast now, fill our bellies, give us a bit of fuel before we pack up and head back down again. So guys, we're all packed up now, and before we go, leave no trace.
Apart from the outline of a tent in the snow. Oh. You having fun, Becky?
I'm bloody cold.
Alright, let's carry on. You can start to hear the sound of the water now from the waterfall. So we're just getting down a bit from up in the clouds and the snow line. We were obviously in the snow line last night, but come down a little bit in height and we're back out the snow. Tate?
I'll do it.
Back on the decent footpath now, so we're starting to make decent progress. I just remembered I got Scotch egg left. So when we get back to the car, gonna get twos on the Scotch egg. Woo! So we're sad that we didn't manage to do what we came here to do, get up to Kinder Scout and everything, but we've had a cracking time anyway. What? Oh, Becky just thought she found a diamond ring, but it's a bottle top.
So then guys, we're coming to the end of our cold, snowy, wintry Boxing Day adventure, and I've got to say it was quite tough, but we did it and it was fun and we made the best of it. So till next time.
Yeah, it's what's making memories, isn't it? Stuff like that.
Definitely.
You're not going to make memories by sitting on your settee as much. We'll remember this one for years. But yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, remember, if you like the channel, please subscribe, like and comment. I know a few of you commenting on there or are subscribers, so thank you very much for that. But stay tuned for our next adventure then with Away with the Hills. Let's see where we get to next. Till then, take care guys. See you later.
Bye.